Hey guys, I've been using this sound isolation shield for some time now for my home recording studio. As you can see, you have these sound isolation panels. There's actually 5 in total. Each one of these panels can be adjusted in different directions and configuration to isolate the sound that you need on one side or both sides. What I like about it, it can be used for like podcasts or live videos. If you wanted to use this on the desktop, you can do that, or use it on a stand, boom stand like I'm using it here for recording. It's very easy to mount a microphone holder and microphone to the stand. You got this washer, screw nut onto the microphone, and as you can see, it's adjustable here in terms of depth in and out, how you want it. Then the microphone you just place on the holder. Then you attach the microphone cord. Then you can attach a microphone pop screen to the stand itself. So in all, the shield makes a very good setup for your recording. I highly recommend this sound isolation shield. It'll really help isolate out some of the external noise from the streets, or like I use it close to a window. And you can even use this inside a closet to even have more isolation and control your sound during recording.